Good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Astha from 9th A. The year gone by held something we never dreamt of. The air that blew across the globe left no space untouched. However, it opened new gates to innovating methods of transmitting learning virtually. The adoption of digital technology has made almost everything possible, and today I stand here to orient you to a virtual election canvassing for the academic year 2021 to 22. Without taking much time, I would like to introduce you to our nominees for the school cabinet.
Greetings to respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and all the lovely viewers. I hope everyone is keeping well. Talking about myself, I assume you all know me and have not forgotten me. Well, to those who are new or don't know me, I'm Divya Agnihotri from 12th standard of your school. As you might know, I'm here to tell you that I have been nominated for the school captain elections of the current academic year. I really feel thankful to Honorable Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers who saw a leader in me, recognized my potential and gave me a chance to prove my worth. Taking you to the history first, I have been part of the Allen House family since its foundation year, and what I felt is, apart from academic well-being, all these years with it has really been brilliant, and they have induced a smarter, positive, more wise and a kind human in me. A recent update of me getting merit in English subject from CBSE in class 10th is a convincing evidence to it. Being an old student of the institution makes me understand the ups and downs faced by the students and parents during the course more effectively, and I also open up as an easy reach for the student body to consult me with their problems and to which I'll be sharing a beneficial solution too. I hope I've provided you with enough reasons to let me be the school captain. But as you know, it is only possible when you elect me and help me be the school captain of this session over others by clicking my button in the voting ballot. Most importantly, my symbol for election is a phoenix. Phoenix is a bird that symbolizes immortality, resurrection, and beginning of a new cycle. So, I hope you'll choose the phoenix button and help me become what I aspire to be. Thank you so much.
Warm wishes to respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I'm Padmaja of class 12th and I've been nominated for the position of school captain. I have joined this esteemed institution last year and my experience so far has been quite enriching. Not only I got to hone my skills, but also I had the opportunity to showcase my talent as a participant as well as a host. My symbol is Ouroboros, which depicts wholeness or infinity. It also signifies hope, which is in dire need in such distress time. So, emphasizing my motive, I hope you all consider voting for me. I'll do my best provided I'm selected and won't let anyone down. Until then, let's uplift each other and overcome this challenge. Thank you.
A super morning to our respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. It's my pleasure to inform you that I have been nominated for the school captain elections this year. Well, speaking of myself, I am Krish of 12th grade. I first extend my hearty thanks to our respected Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers who have given me a chance to stand here and convince you to vote for me. It's my 8th privileged year in this institution, and I count on many memories and experiences that this place has filled me with. Coming back to today's motive, if given a chance to be the school captain, I'd make sure to maintain proper decorum and harmony among the students and in classrooms. Primarily, I would like you to know my symbol for election is rising sun, which represents hope and positivity. So I hope you have all my objectives well and you'd help me to be the school captain of this session by giving your valuable votes to me. Thank you so much.
Wave Beats Music.
A very super morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anshika Rana and I am from class 11. Today I am here because I have been nominated for the post of school vice captain. First of all, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am and all the teachers who found me fit for this post and nominated me for the same. If I become the school vice captain, I will focus on the holistic development of my juniors because I feel it covers every section that needs enhancement and leads to overall growth. I will bring about a positive change by acting as a window between the teachers and the students, by ensuring that every student is heard. Many at times there are students who are unable to express their views and problems due to lack of confidence and fear. I will personally interact with such students, thereby ensuring that every voice is heard. I will open a window in order to get a solution for their problems and will initiate the matter and bring it to the notice of my teachers so that child can be given a helping hand. My symbol is a smiley. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers and all the students present here. I am Aditya Shukla of class 11 and I have been nominated for the post of school vice captain. I am doing well in the school and I want to be a better student by using my talent and skills. I aspire to be a good leader. I am responsible, honest, dedicated and trustworthy. As we know, leadership is an opportunity to serve, and with this vision, I aspire to be a good leader. I'll try my best to live up to your expectations. And if I get a chance to be a school vice captain, I'll motivate my schoolmates to do good in academics and as well as in extracurricular activities. Lastly, I want to say there should be a positive impact on our school. And before leaving the school, I want to do something worthwhile. And if you think I'm a right candidate for becoming vice captain, then vote for Flame.
A warm welcome to one and all present here, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. The school has given me so many great opportunities. So this is the time I reverse back the goodness that I have received. Hi, I am Ayush Jaiswal and I feel extremely grateful toward Principal Ma'am and all my teachers for nominating me for this prestigious post. According to me, the role of school vice captain is more than just wearing a badge or title. It's me being a good leader and having pride in our school. I promise that I will leave no stone unturned in bringing joy and pride to our school. Our party symbol is Falcon, so please vote for it. Thank you.
Dear friends, your votes are precious, important and impactful. It's your right to choose the right candidate who you think is the best choice for handling responsibilities, kindling positive spark in students and ensuring discipline. Now, it's your turn to decide. So, choose the right and vote your voice.